Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to change app menu on Android. Changing app menu on Android is possible if your Android is updated to the latest version. Below are the simple steps to change the app menu on Android. Steps may vary slightly depending on your phone brand. And now, let's get started by unlocking your Android phone. Then open the Settings app. Then go to Display and Brightness. Scroll down and tap the home screen settings. Tap home screen layout or app menu or home screen mode, then choose app drawer or home screen only. Tap apply or save if there's any, then go back to the home screen. Swipe up to open the app menu. Now go back to home screen, long press an empty area on the home screen. Tap the home settings, open app drawer settings, change the layout settings, order or style, grid, alphabetical, or custom, whatever you prefer to, and change other settings too. Now restart the phone if the app menu doesn't update. Helpful notes. App Drawer keeps apps in a separate menu. Home screen only shows all apps on your screens. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.